Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just want to do a little quick shout out at the beginning of this. Earl's RC lanyards, 25 bucks, and he ships. You guys can go check them out. Hit him up on Facebook, Instagram. He'll respond back to you. You make anything you want. He makes dog leashes. He makes, anything. So you guys hit him up. These are nice. They come undone, right? So you can just leave this on your controller. Slides around the handle. Locks into place on your handle, right? So yeah, these are pretty cool. Nice and long. You can have them make them longer, shorter, whatever size you guys you want. Just hit him up on any one of his links. I'll leave his links down below, or you guys can read that. Facebook, Instagram, and it's Earl's Lanyards. And a big shout out to RC NorCal. It's the 3rd annual swap meet at JJ Customs. So I got a little video after this. It's going to show a quick little tour of what we did, what we were selling out there. Had a blast. Got some good deals. Whole tranny, 10 bucks. It's all good. From RC NorCal. He's got a ton of cars in there for sale, guys. At the end of the video, there's all sorts of cars in there. Go check them out. Yes, they're used, but they're great deals, guys. Crawlers, Big Basher, 5th scale, Limitless. I think there's a couple Limitless. There's a Mojave. There's all sorts of cars. Too many to name. Tires in there, spare tires. So if you guys are interested, go in there and go to JJ Customs. He's got them on consignment there, and RJ will hook you guys up. So there you go. Watch the rest of the video. It shows what JJ's got for sale in there as car wise. I didn't do all this, his parts and pieces. They can order whatever you want, but I showed a lot of the cars, and then RC NorCal cars at the end that were all on the ground and on that one shelf. All consignment cars. You can also do that too. He does repairs in there, so take your cars in to get fixed if you need to, or he does. He'll sell your car for you on consignment. So you put it in there, and so you don't have to deal with it and get the people coming to your house and stuff like that. You take it to them, and they take a little cut out of it, and boom, they're done. So you don't have to deal with it. RJ will deal with it because he's there all day. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, and you'll see the end of this one where we walked around real quick, and then and at the end of the night, I went inside and did a walk around with all the cars that they have up for sale for right now. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day. Thanks.
Batteries.
That's a good battery right there. Too bad I don't have a car to put that in. Yeah. How's it going, man?
Good, dude. I think I've seen one. Nice. Hey, I got you have to learn how to do all that.
How much are you selling these for?
$30 shipped, 25 right here, right now.
It's a good deal. Earl's RC Lanyards.
Yeah.
I'm trying to go fish it, but and then it's okay. Points are good, as well as I think I'm 7 pounds. I'm like, hey, brother.
How you doing?
What's up, brother? So good to see you.
How's it going?
All right, thank you. Just hanging out,
So all of that is
absorbing all the
All the fun,
Yeah,
all the stuff people are selling.
That 4S is for the battery, for the tire warmers.
Oh, okay.
$80 for the 325 turbo. Still a good motor.
Hey man, stickers.
Yeah.
Everybody's got.
I know,
I got-
everyone in the motor got some.
I know. I didn't think about bringing them and letting people take them. I got so many stickers I don't know what to do with.
Yeah, NX10, raised parts. Middle box is a slash. Just random crap that I got laying around. I got more random BS at my dad's. I just moved, so I'm like, I'm trying to get rid of this stuff so it's not hanging up his garage. I
These
don't
are-
have his garage back.
Those are actually decent remotes
Yeah, that was for the DR10.
for the stock, in stock.
Yeah. Someone took the receiver.
Oh, really? And didn't take that, huh?
Yeah, and they didn't take the remote.
Well, that's like, unless they have another remote, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the one I want. The one that sits in the floor and falls.
as soon as I started getting like CIs or Novas or something that fills that tire. Because as soon as you let that tire wash